Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a Thai fried rice. So if you guys would like to see how easy and amazing this recipe is to put together, keep watching. To start this recipe, I'm starting in my wok over a medium heat, and to that I'm adding in some vegetable oil. We're going to be frying an egg. So in the oil, once it's nice and hot, add in your egg, and I scramble the egg ahead of time. Lightly season with salt and black pepper, and we're going to scramble the egg until it's nice and fine. And you want to make sure that your egg is properly cooked, or cook it to how you would like it. Once your egg is finished, make sure it's broken up really fine. You're going to take it out and set it aside. Now to the same wok, I'm going in with some sesame oil. You can add vegetable oil again if you wanted to. Now I'm going to go in with some ginger and garlic, and I'm going to let that saute for a couple of seconds. You just want it to get really fragrant. Now here's a really important ingredient, this shrimp paste. Now you can find this on Amazon, but I got it at Food Town Supermarket here. And all you're going to do is add that in. Now it's very potent, very strong. So what I suggest you guys do is don't smell it. It may turn you off. You want to let it fry up in the oil, let it dissolve in the oil. After, you'll go in with some chopped onions and pimento peppers. Now I chose to use pimento peppers, but you can use red chilies if you wanted to. And I'm also going in with some peas and carrots. So we're going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Season with some salt. You want to make sure that your carrots are nice and cooked and your peas are cooked, especially the onions. You do need to make sure the onions are cooked. So next we're going to go in with our cooked rice, and I'm using cooked, the old jasmine rice for this. So if you have leftover rice in the fridge, that's going to be perfect. Go in with bean sprouts, some chopped scallions, and a handful of Thai basil leaves. So important in this recipe. I'm also adding in my sweet soy sauce. This soy sauce is very thick and it's very sweet. And you must use this soy sauce because all of the ingredients that we're putting together in this recipe is going to come together, marry so well, and give you an amazing fried rice. Add in your eggs and just toss. All you're going to do now is just make sure everything is mixed in properly and it's finished. You don't want to overcook it at this point because those leaves, you want it to maintain that green color. So just like a couple of seconds and then it's ready. And all you have to do is go ahead and taste and adjust your salt, and this is ready to be served. How easy was this recipe, guys? It's one of my favorites and I've had it many times. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.